Good morning, fit travelers. So of course we have the Google map. We're heading to Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. First things first, we need a Google map, and we are just close to MRT station here. We're taking the green line, Cycle line, JA line. Of course, your card, your Suica card, is very essential. You can use this on the train and bus as well. Okay, here in Japan, you always have to stay on the right side because there are left-hand drivers here. You have to fall in line. I always forget to fall in line.
We are at the Shinjuku station. This is the busiest station in the world. Wow. Southeast Gate. Oh, Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. Okay. Wow, what a beautiful city. This is the It City and the most famous city, the most crowded city in the world. There are no drivers here. They follow the pedestrian lights here. When it's green, it's go. When red, no one crosses the pedestrian lane.
Traditional garden, that should be nice. So we'll just follow this path around.
Okay, you have to pay the entrance fee, 500 yen per adult. Welcome to Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. I like the vibe. I love nature. Finally, I see some garbage cans here. They're so stingy with garbage cans. Yeah, Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. It's a beautiful garden. It has 3 themed gardens. It's a must-place visit here in the middle of the city called Shinjuku City in Tokyo, Japan. How amazing it is. Hey, you little fella, come here. It looks like a statue. There's a nice one behind me, right there. Woo. I just don't want to leave this place. This place like heaven on earth. Beautiful garden. The oasis in the midst of the city. Ooh, oh nice. There's a nice manicured garden here, formal garden. Beautiful. See the color of the trees, they're starting to turn red for a fall foliage season. There is an amazing greenhouse here in the midst of the Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. So it has a different variety of plants around. This place is so quiet. I got spoiled. You won't hear anyone screaming, talking louder, so you really have to, of course, do what the Romans do. Even cars seems hushed. You won't hear any noisy. Time to go to Imperial Palace. We're taking the platform 2. Of course, Google. This is our help finding places and heading to the tourist spots that we're going to. You can do the same. We alighted at Tokyo Station, and you have to exit at the M number 6 or the exit M number 6 or the central gate. We're going to Imperial Palace, our next stop. Okay, that's the Imperial Palace over there. Okay, it's a huge park here. It's a huge garden. It's beautiful. So this is the current Imperial Palace. This is located on the former site of Edo Castle. A large park area. There it is. Are surrounded by moats and massive stone walls. In the center of Tokyo, and a short walk from the Tokyo Station, this was the residence of Japan's imperial family. Okay, you cannot enter that gate. I don't know. I think you have to online appointment for a tour guide. You have to move to the east gate over there. So you have to turn left. That's a beautiful facade of the Imperial Palace. Look at that. Okay, you have to purchase a ticket online, but right now it's sold out, so you can get in the museum. No available tickets for now. Okay, this one is also a guardhouse. This is one of the largest among the 3 guardhouses here. I like the roof tiled. It's cool. Wow, it stood for centuries.
The most important area of the Edo castle. The massive stone.
That's a beautiful, massive wall. It made me wonder, how did they build this one?
That building is called the Archives and the Mausoleum Department of the Imperial Palace. This is under the Edo dynasty.
Taking a train stations again, going to Meiji-Jugi and Yoyogi Park. Your Suica card. Prepare your Suica card. Okay. So which line to? Chiyoda line, see? Okay, Chiyoda line, see? Those are where you refill your or reload your cards. Those machines. Otemachi station. Okay, so we came from that station. I like the colors of the trees, like a green apple. It looks edible. The leaves on the trees look edible. Okay, that's the Yoyogi Park, just right there. So we alighted at the Yoyogi station from the Imperial Palace Garden. Okay, so welcome to Yoyogi Park. Yes, this is one of the Tokyo's largest city parks, featuring wide lawns, ponds, and forested areas. It is the great place for jogging and picnicking and other outdoor activities, and also good for your pets as well. This Yoyogi Park is mostly known for its ginkgo tree forest. So its cherry trees is relatively few here compared to other sites of Tokyo. It makes for a nice hanami spot in spring. So spring, late March to early April. Okay, we're walking towards the Meiji Shrine. So from Yoyogi Park, I think there's a few meters away, like 500 meters from the Yoyogi Park. It's just almost 4 p.m. but it's getting dark now. Yeah, maybe because this is the autumn season. So it easily gets dark by around 4:30 p.m.
This is the closest station, Harajuku Station, when you plan to go to Meiji Shrine. So it's a green JR line.
This is Akabane City at night. It's very lively. So there are so many food choices in a row streets here. So there's also famous izakaya restaurants where you just buy, you want to drink beer and with small food, portions of food. So many narrow streets here with lots of izakaya restaurants. We finally found this restaurant. We've been struggling before to find this one. And now it's open. Hello, fit travelers! Another day in Akabane, Tokyo, Japan. So it's early in the morning. It's quite drizzling and it's a cold Sunday morning. I love autumn. I love winter. Though I'm a Filipina, but that's my favorite season. For beginners and for people who haven't been in Japan, So you better watch this so that you will have some ideas on places where you want to go. And there's my partner. His jacket colors like a worm, huggable worm. Okay, this is always stays on the right, going up and going down. Stay on the left. Follow the rules. So we are on the platform 7, JA7. Here we go. Morning commute. Okay, heading to the exit gate, and we're heading to TeamLab Planet. That's an amazing museum. Took us 40 minutes from Akihibara station to this station. Okay, so from that station we have to transfer to Ariake station. It's a different station of the train, so you have to go over here. Okay. Okay, this is the Ariake station. It's so nice. Different vibe here. This is way better because it's like a few meters high from the ground. So you can see the nice view of Japan. Wow. That's TeamLab Planets. Dude, the queue is so long.
Bound for Shinbashi.
In front of Shintoshosu Station is the TeamLab Planet. This is a museum that I must visit one. Welcome to TeamLab Planet Tokyo. So you can immerse your entire body. This is actually a museum that you can immerse your entire body, perceive with your own body, and become one of the world. Okay, we scheduled ourselves by 7 p.m. So it's 3,800. Okay, 2 adults. You can pay via credit card as well. So lesson learned. So before you come here, you should book an online ticket. When you are inside the buses or trains, it's not allowed to talk louder or use your phone on speaker. So it's very quiet here. Okay, we are currently at Fukugawa Edo Museum, the most important history of the Japanese regime. Okay, we're paying a ticket. Adult 400 yen, I think. Welcome to Japanese Edo Museum, or Fukugawa Edo Museum. This is the most important historical mark of Japan. So he was the one who made the first Japanese map, Ino Tadataka. Amazing. Wow, for travelers, look at this. Ooh. This is the Edo dynasty of Japan. The most important history of Japan. Ah, look at those houses. Wow. Those roof tiles. It's been prevalent already since 1800s. If you remember the Squid Game, this location where they play marbles, it's the neighborhood. Look at this wonderful section of this museum. Dude, you can feel the vibe of the old century Japan here. These amazing old houses, ancient wooden houses with roof tiles. These are just a normal, typical neighborhood selling grains of rice, veggies. The floor, you have to take your shoes off. This is where the tea ceremony happens. Here. Wow. Beautiful. Smells a little bit musty. And they have second floors. Wow, experiences this local neighborhood in Japan. I'm going to sit here and watch something like any... nice. It's just inside a museum. It feels real. There's a cat right there on the roof and it makes a sound. It's just a stuffed toy actually. This Fukugawa Edo Museum is a must-visit museum here in Tokyo, Japan. It brings you back to the old alleys of old Tokyo, way back 17th to 8th century neighborhood. We are now at Akihibara. So how to get in here? So you have to get off the Akihibara train station right there. And do you know this place is known for? Again, this is Akihibara. It's considered by many to be the epicenter of modern Japanese otaku culture. And it's a major shopping district for video, games, anime, manga, electronics, and computer-related goods. So if you're a gamer, you better visit this place. Wow, such a beautiful city for gaming, manga. If you're a gamer, this is your jam. Look, there's so many cartons around. Oh. Are you a gamer or an anime collector? Well, this is your city, Akihibara City in Tokyo, Japan. It costs a lot. So every item has a number. So if you're collecting something for your own collection at home, you can find them here, especially Japanese animes. This is so cool. We are at Potato Akihibara. It's more on vintage games. My games, 1990s. Family computer was famous. That's the best ever. No one can beat the family computer. I want Chun-Li. She has a big boobs. What? Chun-Li? Chun-Li is my enemy? Shit! I'm Chun-Li. Okay, so going here, you should book an online ticket before coming in here. So avoid any mistakes. TeamLab Planet.
Hey, baby.